Hey everyone, welcome back to Product Critique.
Today, we're diving into what I consider the best shower light with Bluetooth speaker currently available on the market.
It's the ASALL Smart Waterproof LED Ceiling Light Fixture.
This product combines innovative lighting features with integrated Bluetooth speaker technology.
Perfect for creating a relaxing ambiance in your bathroom or any space where you want to enjoy both music and illumination.
Let's start by breaking down what makes this ASALL fixture stand out.
It's IP44 waterproof rated, meaning it's designed to withstand splashes and humidity, making it ideal for wet environments like bathrooms. The fixture itself is 11 inches in size, offering a sleek, modern design suitable for various room styles.
One of the standout features is its versatile lighting options.
You can adjust the color temperature from warm to neutral to cool light, catering to different moods and activities throughout the day. The brightness is fully dimmable from 10% to 100%, ensuring you have just the right amount of light.
Whether you're winding down in the evening or need bright illumination in the morning.
Adding to its charm is the RGB color changing mode.
Offering a spectrum of colors to suit various occasions, think relaxing baths, lively parties, or even bedtime stories with the kids. The lights can sync with music via Bluetooth, creating a dynamic visual experience that pulses to the beat of your favorite tunes. It's like having your own mini light show right at home. The ASALL fixture offers two installation methods. You can mount it as a traditional ceiling light or use it as a socket chandelier, providing flexibility in how you utilize it in your space. It's important to note that installation requires wiring, and it's not battery operated. Controlling the light is made easy with the included 2.4G remote control. From adjusting settings like brightness and color to activating the music rhythm mode, the remote puts customization at your fingertips. There's even a timing function and a night light mode, ensuring it fits seamlessly into your daily routine. ASALL emphasizes quality and safety, with certifications like FCC and CE/GS ensuring adherence to international standards. This provides peace of mind regarding performance and durability.
To sum it up, the ASALL Smart Waterproof LED Ceiling Light Fixture is not just a lighting solution, it's an experience enhancer.
With its blend of functional lighting, customizable colors, and integrated Bluetooth speaker,
it's perfect for transforming your bathroom, bedroom, or any space into a personalized sanctuary of light and sound.
Thanks for tuning in to today's review. If you found this video helpful,
don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more product critiques and insights.
Until next time,
stay tuned and stay curious.